Alright, Delwyn, here's your beautiful 427 small block 4 gear description of this combination. It's got a set of AFR heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller, beautiful polished Borla. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. Got the Moroso front suck oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 464 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 546, peak horsepower 590. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back to sure it's good and clean for you on the exhaust side. Show you a couple things we can see. We're going to find this thing looks like it's a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take each one, check stuff. Have a great day.